Alright, so after I put the needle through the first one right here, in this part down here, I put the needle through the first one like that in each one of the petals, and then I make a knot. So now I'm going up all the way up to here. So let me cut this bothering me. Can't see what I'm doing. Hopefully it didn't fall apart. I'm gonna try to grab the thread from each of the petals. Like this. Then I go into the next one like that. Then I'm gonna pass it one of the CBs, one up. Then I'm gonna pass the needle through the next bead right here, just grabbing the thread. That's what I'm doing. So hopefully it come out right. Pass the needle into the other side right here. Now I'm going to put it up to one CB, just through one. Just like that. Now we go up to here, right there. And I figure maybe I can close this flower like that, so hopefully I can do that. I just need to figure it out where I'm going to be next. Over here. I'm gonna pass one more of the seeds however I can. Like this. It's not gonna be easy, obviously. I'm gonna try anyway. Doesn't want to pass through one, pass through two, so I'm gonna leave it like that. See right there? Looks like it's close already. Let me see. It's like that. I'm gonna do, that will be the machine, that's the dryer, sorry for that. After this one right here, so we pass the needle right here, pass the needle through these ones over here. It's gonna be really hard to pass the needle through these CBs because they are so little, and then I already passed the needle through many times. So. Alright, So right here is going to be the end, right here, right in the middle of the petal. Just like that. I'm going to try to pass the needle through these ones right here because I need to sew right there. Remember, I didn't sew in that little spot, so now I can do that. Just like that. So now I'm going straight into this one over here. I'm gonna pass the needle through like that, through the C-beads to get in the middle, because I need to go into the next petal. So right here we're going to do the same thing in each one of the petals. And when you close it, you can use it this side like this, or you can use it in this side, whichever side that you prefer. I do like it this side, but what happened was that I kind of curl it too much, so it's supposed to look kind of like this. See, if you go like this a little bit, I think it looks really nice. So I hope you guys like it. I'm sorry if I didn't sew that CBs the way it's supposed to be, because I cannot see at this point. It's like 3 in the morning, and then my eyes are so tired and I do not see the holes of the beads. So I was grabbing, yes, I grab the thread that it goes straight like that. I grab it this way like that and do like a zigzag kind of. So when you're done cutting your thread, make knots, cut your thread, and then it's going to look something like that. I think it looks very nice, so I hope you guys like it. Well, thank you very much for watching my videos, and will you please not forget to comment, rate, and subscribe to my channels. I really appreciate that so much. And obviously you guys see perfectly, so you guys gonna be able to pass the needle through each one of these ones right here, the ones along in the middle. Make a knot like that, so that makes a circle, and from there then you go all the way up here, up to in a half of the petal, just right here in a half, all the way up to the half of the petal. You guys gonna sew this very nice, and then it's going to look perfect.